Hi, my name is Markus Biel from maildropper.com. Today I want to tell you how you can start your own online business. Yes, you. Okay, so for the purpose of this, let's just assume you are a very successful fitness trainer and you want to extend your services by providing some online courses. Because that's what we want, right? We want to make money while we're sleeping. We want to make passive income. Okay, so how to get there? So first of all, obviously, you need to have a website. Because without a website, people cannot find you, right? So put up your website. But here's the thing, from my very own experience, well, we are humans, we have emotions, we have fears. And with that fears, we think, oh, I can't put up the website, I'm not ready, I'm not good enough, I have to provide, the perfect content, and until I have it, I will not do anything. And so you're wasting a lot of time. Because the thing is, you will never get it perfect, and especially not so on day one. That takes time, a lot of time. It needs many iterations and it needs feedback from your customers, right? And that's why don't wait. Done is better than perfect. Start today, right? So put up your website. But now, well, it's not going to happen that on day one you're making the big sale, because you are just a random person on the internet, and just imagine how big the internet is, how many gangsters are there, so people will not trust you. So you have to build up trust. Okay, how to build up trust? Well, first of all, again, it takes time. And well, you have to, open up yourself so that the others can open up to you, right? So you need to provide some online content to show you are the expert in the field, so people can trust you, right? And so you need to start writing articles, many articles, hundreds of articles, possibly thousands of articles, right? And yeah, again, it needs time. And when eventually some person comes to your website and they see, hey, it's great, but then, the phone rings, or, they have to go to lunch or something happens and they close the site and they're gone. So, the sale again is not made, because the thing is, trust is so difficult. It will most probably not just be one time. People have to encounter you, they say 7 times until they really trust you, right? And that's why on day one, you need to put up a sign-up form where people can sign up for your newsletter, right? So that you have their email address and now you can get in touch with them. I did exactly that many years ago, and today I have over 17,000 subscribers on my list, right? And the cool thing is here, two things. Well, first of all, you cannot only sell once to them, but multiple times over the course of years. And some people, it takes them maybe a bit longer until they trust you, right? But with their email, you can go back and back and back to them, right? So here's where maildropper.com comes into play. Just go there. You can create a free newsletter sign-up form with less than 5 minutes and embed it directly into your website. And that's where the fun starts. You start to collect email addresses and you can reach out to them, you can ask them for feedback, and you can start to make sales by providing them your content, right? Yeah, so slowly nurture them, and you can do that as soon as they're on your list. Okay, so that's it. Let me know how it's going for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.